Hi there, I'm Leo Locher and I'm going to read some excerpts from my book, The DIY Phoenix, How to Get Out of the Ashes, Mend Your Wings and Start Flying Again. This one is about regret. Of all the pains one could experience, regret is probably the most useless one, and yet it stings and stings and stings. The horse has already bolted. What's done is done. You can't turn back the time. And all the other equally useless things we say to ourselves and each other after the fact. And yet we spend lots of time in that exquisite self-torment of the if only. But that's not how it went. So, unless self-flagellation really floats your boat, you can stop that right now. There is use in looking back, in capturing lessons, and identifying where there's a pattern of things going wrong in predictable ways that would be worth unpacking. Usually, we catch these after a few rounds on the carousel of regret. Set a time limit. Catch what you learned, write it down somewhere useful, and then allow yourself to move on. Rituals can help with that. To not just mentally close the file, but to do something with it in the real world. Take a symbol for what you want to leave behind and bury it, burn it, grind it up and turn it into something new. In case you wonder, by the way, brackets, in case you wonder why I make handmade paper, that's one way I'm dealing with some of that. Do whatever works that's safely doable without setting your house on fire or polluting the environment. Make that a thing. And after that, you celebrate after the ritual of tucking things in and letting go. No matter, last bit in that chapter, no matter what that ridiculously over-engineered pattern recognition machine between your ears will tell you, your past does not equal your future. Your future is not a replay or a lazy sequel that has to feature the same scenery and characters. It is a next chapter of a story featuring lots of twists and turns, and that next chapter is just being written. Keep writing.